Show you how to make this built up neckline. It is very simple to make. Trust me, I'm going to show you all the things you need to know in order to make it. So you need your basic bodice pattern. I have mine here, both the front and back. So I'm going to separate it so that we can start working on it one after the other. So I'm separating it. And here is my back. Let's start with the back. So the first thing we want to do is you are going to extend this line by, I'll be using 1/2 of an inch here. Okay, let me use pencil first. Can you see? So I will be making use of 1/2 of an inch here, then inward 1/2 of an inch. Can you see? So let me use my marker so that you can see 1/2 of an inch towards the center back, then 1/2 of an inch on the shoulder line, that is from the nape of the neck. Now that we have gotten that, I want to square it up as you desire. So I will be making use of 2 inches. You could do less, you could do more. So I want to square it across towards the center back. Can you see that? And I will connect it to the center back like this. You can see that it is very simple to achieve. This is just one of the ways of making your built-up neckline. Now that we have gotten this, I want to come down, that is at the center back now, by 1/2 of an inch. I will come down by 1/2 of an inch. Then I will connect it with the help of my curve ruler this way. Just follow along, you will get it. Can you see that? So we are going to cut out this. So this is our neckline. So we are going to blend it now with the help of our curve ruler. Just take any of your curve ruler and blend. Can you see? Anywhere there, just blend. So you connect, you want to blend it. You can see here is too sharp. So you just take any of your curve ruler. I'm using this one. You can use any one, please. So just blend it back to this line here. Can you see? So this is where we'll be making use of. In case you don't have curve ruler or that particular one, although you can make use of any one, this is our back. The back is ready. We move to the front. So now, bring your front to work on the front now. In order for it to be accurate, I want to teach you one secret that I normally use. Just fold this line. Fold the line. Although you are still going to extend it, but place it like this. This is the easiest way of making something like this. I'm teaching you the easiest way of making built-up neckline. So mark it here. Right. Now that you have marked it, just as you extended this, you want to extend it. But how long you will extend it, I'm going to tell you. Just extend for now. So you come here and measure what you have. Measure. Like I said, I'm teaching you the easiest. Whatever you have here, bring it here. It's almost 2.75. Almost 2.75. So it's somewhere around here. Can you see that? So now that you have gotten that, you want to put your back aside and determine how the number of inches you will go up. So square it this way. Can you see? Upward. So I'll be going up by 1/2 inch, and I will connect from here to this same point. You can use any of your curve ruler. You can use any of your curve ruler to do that. Just connect this way. Right? So that gives us the built up neckline. So the next thing is you want to determine how low you want your neckline to be. As low as you want. Then you determine the shape. Let me show you another shape. This is one. I'm using pencil so that you can decide on what you want. This is one. And this is another one. So you'll be the one to determine the shape that you want. So this is another one. Right? Okay, so let's go with the one in the picture so that I don't confuse you. So this is it. If you want it to go in more, you just need to bend your curve ruler like this. Can you see? You need it to go in more. Okay, this is it. So let's use this second one. So let's cut the back first. I'm going to show you everything I'm going to cut now. Let's put the front aside. Just cut. I believe that all of us know how to make our basic bodies. In case you don't know, you can reach out to me. I have a detailed class on how to make the 5 pattern sets. Right. I want us to throw our darts. If you don't throw it, it will not match up by the time you close your bust darts. You've been following me, you should know how to do all of this. Right? Okay, put your... So at this junction, you need your tracing wheel. You see what the tracing wheel does now. By the time I open up the darts, I'm sure you can't see it, but I'm going to cut it out. Okay, let me connect it. Yeah, indicating that there is a dart there. You can as well through this, but most times I leave it like this. It doesn't really matter. Okay, here is the front, here is the back. If you have to follow the picture on the screen, you cut 2 of this, cut 2 of this. So the center front will be having joining. But if you don't want to have any joining at the center front, you cut it on fold. So the next thing we want to do is to bring it together. I want to show you how it will look like after joining. So I've gummed it. Yours should be like this. Meaning if you want to sew it, you join it like this. So it will be like this. Can you see? Since it's paper, that's why it's standing like that. Remember that you will hold your dart. After holding, both sides should match. It should match up. Can you see? They will match up. Like I said, you can cut this on fold if you don't want joining at the center front. But if you want joining at the center front, you cut 2 pieces of the front, 2 pieces at the back. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.